Mastering Object Pronouns in English, a comprehensive guide. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're delving into the world of object pronouns. Object pronouns are fundamental to understanding and using English properly, and today, you'll learn how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. In English, object pronouns are the words we use in a sentence to replace the name of the person or thing that the action of the verb is being done to. They are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. For example, in the sentence, John sees Mary. Mary is the object. If we replace Mary with an object pronoun, we get, John sees her. Direct object pronouns receive the action of the verb directly. Let's see an example. I love cats. But if we replace cats with an object pronoun, we get, I love them. In this sentence, them is the direct object pronoun. Next, we have indirect object pronouns. These pronouns refer to the person or thing that benefits from the action of the verb or to whom the action is done. Look at this example. I sent John a letter. Here, John is the indirect object, and we can replace John with an object pronoun to get, I sent him a letter. Mastering object pronouns isn't just about knowing what they are, but it's also about knowing when and how to use them. Using object pronouns makes our sentences less repetitive and more fluid. For example, instead of saying, Peter gave the book to Susan and then Peter told Susan a story, you can say, Peter gave her the book and then he told her a story. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using object pronouns in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these pronouns in your daily conversations to make them second nature. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons, and keep improving your English skills. Happy learning!